Namaste dear children, welcome to class 3 English subject. In the previous class I have discussed the grammar part. I have completed the grammar part sentences. In today's class I will come to the textbook part, page number 9. In page number 9 I completed F main question. Now I will go to the next main question. Spell right. When we add E to some words, their sounds change. Read these words aloud. Can, cane, bit, bite, hop, hope, cut, cute. See, after adding E to these words, their sound changed. Can become cane. So, let's go to the G main question. What it says, add an E at the end of each of these words. Read them aloud. I have added E to these words. I will pronounce both the words without E and with E. You also add E in your textbook and read both the words aloud in front of your parents. At, ate, ton, tone, mad, made, pin, pine, hat, hate, hug, huge, not, note, cub, cube, din, dine, tap, tape, tub, tube, kit, kite. Next, let's go to the 10th page number, dictionary check. A dictionary is a book which gives the meanings of words. The words are listed in alphabetical order. So, words which begin with B come after words which begin with A. Words which begin with C come after words which begin with B and so on. What it say means, here see, ant, bus, cup, dog, egg. See these words in alphabetical order. A letter word is coming first, ant, B letter word second, bus, C letter word third, cup, D letter word fourth, E letter word fifth. Like that. H main question, write these words in alphabetical order. This is for your homework, but I will give you the answer now. First one, like these words are here, card, shop, hill, money, apple. I already mentioned number here which comes first. See, among these 5 words, A letter starting word is apple. So, apple is first place. We need to write apple in the first place. And second place, B letter word, but B letter word is not here. C letter word is here, card. Card is in second place, we need to write. And in the third place, after C letter word, D letter word, E letter word, F, G, H letter word. H letter word is hill. So hill is in third place. After H, I, J, K, L, M. M letter word is in fourth place. So money is in fourth place. And the last one is O, P, Q, R, S. Shop. Shop is in fifth position or place. Fifth place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We need to write apple first, card second, hill third, fourth money, at last fifth place shop. Like that in the second question, jar, pearl, kite, ink, lamp. Among these 5 words, first word is, which one is first word here? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. All these letters are not here among these 5 words. So I letter word is here ink. Ink is in first place. After I, which letter comes? I, J. J letter word is here jar. So jar is in second place. I, J, K. K letter starting word is kite. That is in third position. I, J, K, L. L starting letter word is lamp. Lamp is in fourth place. K, L, M, N, O, P. Pearl is in fifth place. Write these words in your homework. Next main question is understand grammar sentences. We always begin a sentence with a capital letter and end it with a full stop, question mark or an exclamation mark. A sentence always has a doing word and makes complete sense on its own. For example, Rekha's mother gave her a bicycle on her birthday. See, gave word is in italics. So, it is a doing word. Rekha's mother gave her a bicycle on her birthday. Rekha loved her new bicycle. Loved is in italics. So, loved word is doing word. I main question, complete these sentences in your own words. First sentence, my birthday is on dash. My birthday is on the 25th of April. My birthday is on 25th April. So I have written 25th of April. Whenever your birthday, mention the date and the month of your birthday and complete the sentence. Second sentence, I will be dash. I will be 10 years old this year. I have written like this sentence. You can change these years. 10 years you can change it to 9 years, 8 years, 11 years on this year. Third sentence, on my last birthday, I dash. On my last birthday, I visited Ganesha temple. I completed like this sentence. Fourth sentence, my friends and family dash. My friends and my family made me feel very special. My friends and family made me feel very special. You can write the same sentence or you can make your own sentence. Fifth sentence, this year I want to dash. This year I want to spend my birthday with my grandparents. This year I want to spend my birthday with my relatives. This year I want to spend my birthday with my friends, parents, relatives, like that. You can change these words and you can write any sentence. So, next main question I will take in the next class. Children, take care, be in home, be safe. धन्यवाद.